Most people think tax time starts in June, but by the time you're thinking about it, you've probably already missed your biggest opportunities to save money on your taxable income. And that's exactly why so many Australians end up paying more tax than they need to. By the end of this video, you'll know what you need to do to prepare for the end of financial year properly so you can maximize your deductions, avoid common mistakes, and keep more money in your pocket. End of financial year isn't just about lodging a tax return, it's your biggest opportunity all year to optimize your financial position. But most people leave everything until the last minute. They're scrambling for receipts, guessing deductions, and hoping they haven't missed anything. And that's exactly where money gets left on the table. The difference between a rushed tax return and a well-prepared one can literally be thousands of dollars in claims. When you leave things until June, you're not planning anymore, you're just reporting what's already happened. No strategy, no optimization, just hoping for the best. But when you prepare early, you're in control. You can organize your records, identify every deduction, and make smart financial decisions before the end of financial year. So what should you be doing right now? Get your records in order. Start with your income, your expenses, and your receipts. And if you've got multiple income streams, salary, rental income, or investments, you need a clear picture of everything. Because if it's not recorded, it's very hard to claim. Identify your deductions early. Don't wait until June. Start now. Think work-related expenses, home office costs, and if you own property, maintenance costs, interest, and depreciation. Most people don't miss deductions because they're not eligible. They miss them because they didn't track them properly. Bringing forward expenses, reviewing your super, and planning future investment purchases are decisions that can directly impact how much tax you pay. What most people don't realize is that once June 30 passes, most of your opportunities are gone. Let's run through the biggest mistakes to avoid. Number 1, waiting until the last minute. This removes your ability to plan and prepare the necessary documents that will reduce your taxable income. Number 2, missing income or expenses. Forgetting accounts, investments, or not tracking your income properly is where mistakes and missed deductions happen. Number 3, claiming without records. If you can't prove it, you generally can't claim it. And number 4, not getting the right advice. A lot of people trying to do everything themselves, but they're not aware of the strategies that could improve their outcome. Working with specialized professionals such as quantity surveyors, property valuers, financial planners, and accountants can save you thousands more by making sure you're claiming everything you're entitled to. Avoid these and you're already ahead of most people going to end of financial year. If you want to make end of financial year work for you, not against you, it comes down to preparation. The people who plan early are the ones who maximize the deductions and keep more of their money. If you own an investment property, there are strategies most people don't even realize they're missing. Reach out to the Duo Tax team and we'll help you make sure you're not leaving money on the table from your investment property.